I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Alright, man, when I came home and I was supposed to move these damn cars because my damn yard man's supposed to be coming tomorrow. It's dark. It's dark like it's fucking midnight or some shit. It's only like 8 o'clock. If that. So I'm finna find some keys. Play musical cards right quick. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. After being at work all day, bro, when I come home, I really don't feel like doing nothing but chilling. Hold on. All right, so we're gonna try musical cards without pissing off the neighbors too much. If not, they'll be all right. Some dude came by the house today, knocked on the door. I'm looking like, who the fuck is that? So I come outside, and the dude, he said he seen my car with one that want to sell it. Nah, I'm good. Alright, I had to make sure my damn Bluetooth wasn't gonna connect. Musical cards, nigga, musical cards. So from the last video, y'all remember, I had that foam shit on there, put it on there, cut it down, good to go. Fiberglass next, but it can go on and come up out of here. I disconnect the battery turned on here, because if not, I'll drag it on out with it. Got that green light. Like I said, the wiring, got it, a lot of it cleaned up, loomed up and shit, so look better up under there a little bit. Good enough for government work. Alright, so it's good. Really, honestly, I probably just want to come. Cause I mean, this ain't been tripping here lately. And like I said, we tighten up all our connections and stuff, so it should be good to go. Trying to think though, which one we gonna move first? Which one we gonna move first? Y'all shut y'all motherfucking dogs up, shit. Ain't nobody over here at all anyways. So they got this house up for sale. So I'm gonna just set this right here for a minute. I tell you, bro, it's dark like it's last up in here. The last. You notice I'm goddamn, I'm cranking this motherfucker up last. Cause that's that disturb the peace type shit right there. It's got a little rumble to it, but alright. Go on and move the two though. And last but not least, Big Baby. So we're gonna bring Big Baby out, put over to the left, pull the two-door in, and then put the white truck back where it's supposed to be. Get for the almighty. The almighty heavyweight champion of the world. Man, where my damn lights at? Hold on. Shit. Okay, there it is. Oh, them brakes feel immaculate though. That's some pretty on the dime ass stuff in there. I mean, we ain't really moved for real, God damn it. But it didn't stop like that before. That's all I can tell you. Alright, let's go get our box baby out the street. Box baby. Box baby. Yeah. Get ready for the next episode. Don't try this at home, kids. Yeah, cause this damn box Chevy brakes don't feel nothing like that colors. Nothing. I know this motherfucker longer than that colors. Alright, we in there though. All of the lights. Alright, let's put baby truck back. And then we're gonna name this video musical cars at nighttime, nigga. Limited cut edition. Limited cut meaning not a whole lot of editing. I need to put the trash out and shit tonight too. Swerve. Hey, that thing is sexy sitting up in the garage, boy. Alright. Talk to me. Okay, yeah, I gotta take trash out, but other than that, nigga, we good. We good for the night. I probably could have came over a little bit more on this side, but that's good. Like I said, my yard man coming tomorrow, so I need him go and get them edges. Go and get them edges, baby. So let me make sure I should have enough room to do what I need to do up front. I might want to bring it back just a tad. We probably got about a couple feet to play with. Not many feet, but a couple feet. So that I already feel like it was too much. No, that wasn't bad. You probably come back just a smidge. No, we good. I'm gonna leave it like that. Well, now y'all know who is up next in the garage. I'll let you know what we got planned, or look who's back in the garage, should I say. But yeah, for different reasons. You know what I'm saying? Different reasons this time. Different reasons. Yeah, we good. Start going, get that stuff together and go and get the thing yeet. Get it right. Get it right. I think I decided my car may never hit a car show, nigga. Cause they not car show cars, bro. I'm not a car show dude. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, back in the lab.